Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language in Gather's units. These systems are often found in imported vehicles, and adjusting their language can sometimes be a bit challenging. The exact steps can vary significantly depending on your specific Gather's model. We will go through some common methods and offer practical advice to help you navigate the settings and achieve your desired language display. To begin, locate and press the menu button on your Gather's unit. From there, you will need to navigate through the options to find settings, which is typically represented by a gear icon. Once in settings, search for submenus like Other Settings or System Settings. In some models, the language option might be found within a dealer diag section, so keep an eye out for that specific pathway. If a direct language change option isn't immediately apparent, there are alternative solutions. A helpful tip is to use a smartphone translation app, leveraging its camera feature to translate the on-screen Japanese text. Always consult your specific Gather's model's user manual, as it may contain precise instructions. Remember, some older units might not support multiple languages. For more complex situations, professional services specializing in car audio systems can often assist. It is crucial to remember that the process for changing the language is highly model dependent, and not all Gather's units offer a multi-language interface. For those units without an English option, replacing the entire head unit with an aftermarket system is a viable solution for a fully English experience. Always proceed with caution when adjusting any settings to avoid unintended changes. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips help you manage your Gather's unit more effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.